Our case study, Adaptation Strategies for At-Risk Historic Coastal Graveyards in County Kerry, explores efforts to protect and preserve some of Ireland's special coastal graveyards from the impacts of climate change. The project aims to develop adaptation strategies for historic graveyards at risk. The historic graveyards are owned and managed by the local authority. They contain national monuments and family plots. Therefore, communities and families maintain deep connections to these places. Climate change brings additional challenges to the sites, exacerbating current issues and creating new ones, making adaptation planning essential. In line with Ireland's climate change sectoral adaptation plan for built and archaeological heritage, adaptation solutions must balance multiple heritage values, community needs, and legal requirements. A co-creation approach has been adopted to create the conditions for trust building, learning, and knowledge creation. The project is guided by a preliminary climate change risk assessment, which was commissioned by Kerry County Council and conducted by Kerry Conservation in 2022. This study serves as a foundation for addressing the climate risks faced by these historic coastal graveyards. The literature review for stakeholder mapping and engagement is complete, and this work has allowed us to prepare a preliminary stakeholder map and design our methodology to guide the co-creation process. We have also compiled data for the physical profiles of the case studies and are investigating climate hazard mapping tools. On this slide, you can see the outline methodological approach we have developed and some of the possible outcomes. This remains flexible, however, as it will be determined by a co-creation with stakeholders. This co-creation process faces several challenges, including identifying the most effective strategies, addressing and balancing power dynamics, and communicating with stakeholders on sensitive issues. Together with the community, we will attempt to answer these core questions. What are the stakeholder perspectives on relationships between cultural heritage and climate change? How do heritage values shape ideas about current and future management of the graveyards? And is climate change changing perspectives? These questions will help guide us in crafting our approach and making decisions during the co-creation process. Many thanks for your time.